Welcome. If you're looking for a way to see only translated closed captions on Instagram, you're in the right place. Whether you want to enjoy videos in different languages or just keep your feed more accessible, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to update your settings. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the hamburger icon. This will open up a list of options for your account. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on it to enter the accessibility settings, where you can adjust features that make Instagram easier to use for everyone. Inside the accessibility menu, you'll see an option called Caption. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can customize how captions appear on your videos. Now, you'll see a few different choices for captions. To show only translated closed captions, select the option that says Only Show Translated Closed Captions. This setting will make sure you only see captions when Instagram detects that the video is in a different language and provides a translation. And that's it. You've now set your Instagram to display only translated closed captions. This is perfect if you want to keep your screen uncluttered, but still want to understand videos in languages you don't speak. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and pick a different caption option. Enjoy a more personalized and accessible Instagram experience, and don't forget to explore content from all around the world, no matter the language. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps.